My name is LeCury McCray. I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas. I decided to come to the seminar based on my boys. I got a 15 and 13-year-old. I forced them to wash cars for 2 summers. They said they wanted to start a detail business. And so once I saw that they were serious about it, I wanted to support them in their endeavor. Made me realize how much I really don't know. You know, we think of washing or getting into a detail business, you're just thinking of a bucket and water hose in terms of washing a car, but it's just so much that goes into the process. Today's exterior training was awesome. I really love how everything was broken down from beginning to end. Well, the overall experience was awesome, man. In terms of the detail, from the information they give you in teaching, the instruction that's shown, it makes anyone that's a beginner, or if you are really into detailing, it gives you more information in terms of being confident in yourself to be able to do the job properly.